What if you could create a fully realistic 3D avatar, place it into a virtual studio, make it talk with natural gestures, control the camera like a director, and edit everything on a timeline, all in one browser-based tool? Rendora AI is the world's first 3D AI studio, and it's unlike anything we've seen. You'll find a link to try it in the description. Start by choosing a hyper-realistic avatar from a massive library. Every avatar is unique, and you can fully customize their outfit, hairstyle, earrings, and even makeup. Add your logo, change fabrics and colors, and watch it all render in real time. But it goes deeper. You can adjust the avatar's facial features, eyes, nose, lips, eyebrows, jawline, using precise sliders. You get complete creative control over the look. Then comes performance. Instead of static avatars, you assign gestures to each line of speech. Your character can raise a hand, smile, nod, just like a real actor. It brings a layer of realism that's incredibly engaging. Camera control is just as advanced. You can switch between wide shots, close-ups, and moving angles as the avatar speaks. It feels like a live studio production, but all powered by AI. Once the scene is set, you can add music, sound effects, subtitles, overlays, and animations, all placed on a visual editing timeline. It's not just about the avatar. It's a full 3D storytelling environment. You can place your avatar in over 300 different 3D environments like classrooms, newsrooms, stages, offices, and more. Even better, the backgrounds and display screens are editable. You can insert your own media directly into the scene. Rendora AI isn't just a tool. It's a full creative suite for building lifelike 3D content in minutes. No green screen, no studio, just your browser. If this video gets enough love, 10,000 views, 1,000 likes, and 1,000 shares, we'll make a full tutorial on how to bring your story to life using Rendora AI. Like, share, and subscribe to Champion EdTech. And don't forget to check the description to try Rendora AI right now.